Did you know India and Bhutan share one of the world's most successful partnerships despite being so different in size and power? Let's uncover how this friendship became a model for global diplomacy. Today, let's talk about a story that often goes unnoticed but carries a powerful lesson in diplomacy, trust, and balance. It's the story of India and Bhutan, two neighbors that have turned an asymmetric relationship into one of the mutual respect and long-term friendship. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to Bhutan isn't just a routine diplomatic stop, it is a reminder of how far this partnership has come and why it's often called India's most successful neighborhood relationship. Now, what makes it so special? India and Bhutan are vastly different in size, population, and global influence, yet their relationship stands out because it's built on trust, understanding, and non-interference. Let's rewind to history. Back in 1949, India and Bhutan signed a treaty where Bhutan agreed to be guided by India in foreign affairs. This worked during the early decades, but as Bhutan grew more confident, especially after its democratic transition and the end of the Cold War, the relationship needed to evolve. By 2007, both nations revised the treaty, and here's the game changer. That old clause about Bhutan being guided by India was removed. Instead, they agreed on mutual respect for independence, sovereignty, and equality. This marked the birth of a new India-Bhutan partnership, one built on equality, not dominance. Since then, Bhutan has pursued independent foreign policy choices, building ties with Japan, South Korea, and Europe, yet always keeping India as its closest and most trusted ally. India, on its part, has supported Bhutan's development through hydropower projects, connectivity, trade, and education. Both nations have learned how to manage asymmetry, where one country is bigger but doesn't impose, and the smaller one, while independent, stays cooperative. This is what makes India and Bhutan model so inspiring. It's diplomacy based not on control but on respect and equality. In a world full of tensions and rivalries, the India-Bhutan story shows how power be balanced with humility and how foreign policy can be both strong and sensitive. So what do you think? Should India use this same model with other neighbors as well, like Nepal or Sri Lanka? Tell me in the comments below. So this is it for this news. Thank you.